Today in front of me VIVO Y19 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first we should launch the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. To log out from Gmail app, we should first log out from Google account on our device. And to do that, tap to manage accounts on this device, click to your account and here tap to delete account. Then just tap to OK. Are you sure? Click to OK. Enter one from your protect methods if you use them. Now we just successfully log out from the Google account, so we could see that we just successfully log out also from the Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.